Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I just got done driving and now I'm going to be reviewing this 2016 Honda Civic for you. Power wise, great power. It's powered by the 1.5 liter inline 4-cylinder Honda engine. Good power there. I'm going to turn this camera around. We'll check out the inside, then we'll check out the outside. Let's do it. So inside here, it does have the touchscreen radio, doubles as your backup monitor once you kick it in reverse. There's a couple screen options, basically the angle of the camera there that you can adjust there. AM FM radio does have here some other functions inside the radio where you can connect your phone. This does have navigation, it's got Honda Link, and different things of that sort. Down here is going to be your heating and air conditioning controls. You have independent controls from the driver to the passenger, and you can sync them together if you wish there. It does have heated seats up front here, and I believe in the back. We'll check that out when we get back there. There is center shifter here with selectable gear changes. It does have electronic brake controller. Couple beverage holders here. Nice deep spot down there for extra goodies. Over here, leather wrap dash here, soft touch as well. It does have the books down there in the glove compartment. I did pull up the history report. Scores in 84, which is about mid-range for this type of vehicle, but still really good. No accidents reported, no hail damage, no water damage in 2 previous owners. You can see leather wrapped seats on this. The Honda uses a nice thick leather too, and it's a vented leather, so you're not going to get such a sweaty butt on this. So it does have the moonroof that does open. On the steering wheel here, got a couple cool things. So it has adaptive cruise control. If you've never done that, when you're on the highway in adaptive cruise control mode, someone slows down in front of you, the vehicle's already going to adjust it, right? Also has hands-free connectivity for your cell phone. And then controls for the center console here. That's all digital. No lights on the no warning lights on the dash. There's a couple green lights up there. One says ACC, that's that adaptive cruise control, and LKAS, that stands for your lane keep assist. You can turn that on and off over here. What that's going to do is going to keep you in your lane on your highway. Also has front collision assist, so if someone really slows down really quick in front of you, before you can react, the car will react before. I've had that happen to me several times and probably saved me from rear-ending someone. So outside here, it has the brilliant black paint on it. This is a Civic Touring. Really a good looking Honda Civic. Front end looks really good. There is a little slight maybe dark purple in the paint here. It really looks good in the sun. 17-inch wheels. Those are brand new tires on it as well, just put on here. So a lot of tread, and all the tread left on the tires. Let's check out the back here. Let me unlock it first. All right, now we're in the back. So back here, yes, does have heated perimeter seats here. The center one won't be heated, but heated seats down there, and the controls are for that are right down there. Interior looks really clean. Coming around the back fenders look good. No paint issues back here at all. Again, it is the Honda Civic Touring. Reading just over 110,000 miles on the odometer right now, but runs and drives really good. Honda's known for the reliability, and what a good running car for this. This would be a great car for a daily driver. Great car maybe really for a lot of uses. It gets really good fuel mileage. Going to be in the mid 30 mile per gallon range. So if you have any further questions, feel free to contact us. Overall, this definitely gets my approval. If you're out looking for a Honda Civic, this is a really nice car. Drives good, paint looks good, doesn't smell bad, brakes felt good, all that. So if you need any information, more information, just contact us. I'll post some links below for that. Also, financing is available. You can just do that right from your home. Just click the tab below and you can get pre-approved on this. Also, trades. We'd love to have your trade. If you're looking to upgrade and just need something simple, easy, but also wanting to get good money for your trade, hey, we'll make you a good offer on it. So just fill out that form below on the trade and get started there. Thanks for watching, everyone.